Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that basically this is a code editor that I developed here inside React.js, Socket.io, Node.js and Express. Basically it's a interview based code editor. It supports various themes out there. You will see that various languages, C, C++, Python, Java, all that languages. You can also increase the font size as well. And the main thing is that it allows you to video call with each other. You need to simply copy this link. We are using socket.io, and you can even run your code. Simply click on the run button. It will show you the output of the code here. You will see code output. You can write any program here and then it will execute the code right here. You can change the language to Python language. Again, run this program. You can run this program. So the main thing that I was showing you guys, basically this also supports if you want to open the same link. If I copy this link and share it with anyone, and they can even join here. So now you will see that, guys, basically if I show you here, I am speaking two words here. So you can see two people have joined in. You can see that. So two people have joined in simultaneously. So this is a peer-to-peer network. It is successfully joined. You can see that. So now you can simply, we can join it the third person as well. Similarly, we need to say paste it. So now you can see three people have joined in. So it's a bit Zoom clone kind of an code editor, guys, where you can basically write the code here. You can see that. So in all the three windows, this will be reflected. You can even save this code here. Click the save button. And now you can see your code file is saved. You can even run this program. You can see that. So when the person left, guys, you will see the window will be disappearing right here. You can see that. My voice is because it was connected. So in this way, guys, this is basically the application. You can basically purchase the full source code. If you want this source code, after you purchase it, you will get this directory structure. Let me show you basically where you will get here. This is the actual application. It is built using React.js, and we are also using here PeerJS. PeerJS is used by, in order to connect the clients with one another, guys. So PeerJS is a library. If you don't know PeerJS, it's a library for connecting peer-to-peer connection with WebRTC. So we are using this library as well in the background. So this is actual code editor, guys. So you can basically copy this link and share it with your own friends. So when they join, they will be connected, and it will be a mini Zoom clone kind of an application. So when they connect, simply need to paste this URL and they will be connected with each other. You will see that. And now you can write your program, increase the font size. You can see that. So as ever I'm typing. And also, guys, one more thing is there. There is also a whiteboard canvas editor here. If you see, we also have the whiteboard canvas editor. If I open this editor here, this is a whiteboard canvas editor here. It will be reflected in both the windows. So this is the whiteboard editor which is there. You can see that. So if you want to explain something here, you can use here. If you want to explain something to the user, you can do this. You can change the brush color, any color you can change to. You can change the brush size as well. You can see that. So this is basically the editor, guys, with whiteboard canvas editor as well. You can pick any language of your choice, and then a program will be pre-written for you. You can write programs. We can video call with each other, take interviews as well. So It's a fully fledged application. All the source code is given, guys. You can purchase the full source code. After that you will get this directory structure. We are using here PeerJS, we are using React, we are also using socket.io here. You can see that socket.io. And for the CSS part, we are using semantic UI, we are using UUID, SaveFile, all that libraries. So if you are interested, you can go to the description and purchase the full source code. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.